Imagine a world where every book is a rare and precious object, laboriously copied by hand. In this world, knowledge is a privilege of the elite. But what if one invention could change everything, making information accessible to all? And the man who transformed information would be stripped away of his life's work. This is the story of Johannes Gutenberg, the man who revolutionized the written word. In the bustling city of Mainz, Germany, around 1440, Johannes Gutenberg, a skilled goldsmith, had an audacious idea. He envisioned a machine that could produce books quickly and cheaply. But this dream was filled with challenges. Gutenberg knew that to revolutionize book production, he needed to develop movable type, individual letters that could be rearranged and reused. This was not as easy as it sounds. He spent countless hours experimenting with different metals to find the perfect alloy. The breakthrough came when he discovered a durable metal that could be cast into uniform letters. Traditional water-based ink simply didn't work. Through relentless trial and error, he created a thick, oil-based ink that met his needs. But Gutenberg's journey was far from over. He needed an ink that would adhere to his metal type and produce crisp, clear text. In 1450, with his innovations in place, Gutenberg set up a printing workshop in Mainz. His first major project was the printing of a Bible. The sheer scale of this undertaking was daunting. The Gutenberg Bible, as it would come to be known, consisted of 1,286 pages of finely printed text. It took years of painstaking work, but Gutenberg's determination never wavered. Nevertheless, this fruit of his success will not be for very long, as now Gutenberg entered the most difficult phase of his life. However, financial troubles loomed. Gutenberg had borrowed heavily from Johann Fust to fund his venture. The costs of developing movable type, materials, and setting up the press were immense. Despite his innovations, delays and expenses mounted, and Fust grew impatient. By 1455, Fust took legal action, accusing Gutenberg of mismanaging funds and failing to repay the loans. The court ruled in Fust's favor, resulting in Gutenberg losing his workshop and the rights to his invention. Stripped of his press and nearly completed copies of the Gutenberg Bible, Gutenberg faced the crushing reality of seeing his life's work taken away. In 1462, Mainz was sacked by Archbishop Adolf von Nassau, and Gutenberg was honored by the archbishop, with the title of Hofmann, meaning gentleman of the court. Receiving a stipend, court outfit, and tax-free grain and wine. Gutenberg died in 1468 and was buried in the Franciscan church at Mainz, which was later destroyed, resulting in the loss of his grave. The invention of the printing press democratized knowledge, fueling the Renaissance, the Reformation, and ultimately the scientific revolution. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating historical tales from Mr. Pickle.